Hi fellas, welcome back to our Fisher channel. Today is a great day, a super great day. We're gonna unbox this, which is a gift from me to me, and which it sounds kinda my birthday, but it's not. I can say that there were years that I was waiting for this moment. I'm really happy, really excited. I was waiting for this, as I said, years, because I couldn't afford it. This is kind of pretty expensive thing. Altogether, I think it's almost 600 euros. It's a microscope. It's my microscope. My brand new microscope. I will show you the microscope which I was using. Till now for my videos I was using this pluggable microscope, which is pretty nice, but you know, working SMD work like this with this microscope, I have to work like this and watch to the screen there if I want to see something, and that's not quite comfortable. Yeah, it's great. I mean, as you saw in my channel, the pluggable microscope is a pretty good, cheap USB microscope. Pretty good for the price, but hey, it's not suitable for SMD work. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's suitable, but could be better. And I'm really happy. There were years that I wanted a serious microscope, and finally the time has come. So, cheers to you all, fellas. I'm really happy. So, first, I will show you from where it came. I don't know if you know the channel Strange Parts. I don't know if you can see something. From where this microscope come, it's Britain something. I will try. I don't know if the camera helped me. No, the camera doesn't help me. By the way, it was written from Suemayl, Wagyang North Street, Sec Plaza, second floor, Shenzhen. So, as I was saying, there's this channel called Strange Parts, where there's a guy who does many SMD works and various work. This guy when he was in Shenzhen, he had to buy a microscope from the market, and he met this girl Suemayl, which she's a retailer. She's selling those microscopes there in the market. If you want to buy something equivalent to this, here in Italy at least, you have to buy the Amway microscope, which something like this costs at least 800 euros without the camera, the HD camera, because this microscope has an HD camera for recording for you fellas. So I guess altogether something like this costs 1000 euro. I paid 600, which is pretty good. So first of all, sorry for my outfit, but as you can see, I'm pretty tired. I was at work after 3 weeks of holidays. And I was lucky because today I was expecting the express courier bringing this, and it came just 5 minutes sooner that I left for going to work. So that was the perfect timing, and I'm so happy. So happy about it. So here we are. First of all, I will show you the package, which is intact, luckily, for such an expensive device. All the sides, here we are. Fine, let's go. Let's unbox it. So, I'm excited. Here's a paper from where maybe I can show you better from where these microscope come. I will cover my address. Sure. 1 second. My number for sure. Tick. Hope the camera will work properly this time. No way. Ah, here we are. From You Suemayl. Thank you, You Suemayl. It was great shipping, really fast, and perfect timing. So, let's go forward. Super excited. So place it here and let's see what we got. I will just flip it. What a nice sound. Stereo microscope. Instructions, because I think that I will have to build it. It will follow up a video of the building because now I'm tired. After that I worked and everything. Just I couldn't. Oh, possible to see? No. Now I just wanted to unbox it. Couldn't wait. So what we got here first? We got nice LED light. Clean. Nice. Here. Yeah, I'm as a child. Super happy. Okay. So what we got here? We got a nice box with this lens inside, which is needed for keeping the microscope nice and high for working under the microscope. I'll put it here. And we got a couple of gum things. Don't know what it is. nothing else here. And here is the beauty. Another tiny box. Ooh. With this the eyepiece. I put it here too. Another tiny box. And guess what? It will be the second eyepiece. Great. So happy. Finally. And let's see. Nice plastic. Here I guess is the bracket where to fit the microscope. Silica gel. Cute. And the beauty by itself. Whoa. Awesome. This is the main part of the microscope, as you can see, with the hole for the camera and everything. Another tiny piece, which I don't know what it is. And now this. Let me see. High-speed cable. So excited. I was waiting for this moment so many years. So this is a nice HDMI cable. HDMI. I even didn't know that mean high definition multimedia interface. Interesting. Awesome. I'll place it here. So as you can see, that's the base of the microscope itself, and I place it here. Here's the camera, HD camera to fit upon the microscope. As you can see, HDMI and everything. Power cord. And what to say, the thing which holds the microscope itself. Perfect, nothing is missing. It looks pretty good to me. So, this is it. My brand new microscope. Really kind of my birthday. Self gifts are the best gifts. So, stay tuned for part 2, the assembly. Now I'll go to sleep because I'm tired. Thank you for staying tuned, and as always, have a great time. Bye.